Hey everyone, this is Nate with Dubs Cards, and I just took the shipping label off, but I got this in the mail this past weekend. I figured I'd open it up for us on film, and without further ado, let's give it a shot. This was an eBay purchase, so I purchased it on eBay. And what we have here is going to be some junk wax. I love junk wax. I've always loved junk wax. Always. Look at this cheesy gorditas in there. That was a perfect way to stack these. What we have here is going to be 1989 Topps cello packs. But wait, that's not all. Oh, that's Conseco. Do all these have players on it? I didn't realize if they might have. Chris Sabo. No. There's a... So, I know I bought some other ones. So these are all 89. All these are 89. Until these. So I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 packs of cello 1989 Topps. But I also got 4 cello packs of 87 Topps. And this is an odd one. This one has cards both ways. I guess that's the way they did it back then. So without further ado, let's just open one up. Here's a random 1989 Topps cello pack. These came with 29 cards and 1 piece of gum. The gum. So we got a Luis Julio, Bruce Hurst, Devon White, Bob Ojeda, Frank DePino, Floyd Yummins, Trevor Wilson, Carlton Fisk. There it is. The gum on the propaganda piece. I would love to get these albums. I wish I bought 20 of them back then. Wow, this gum's actually pretty good. Oh yeah, this gum's edible. I'm leaving it out. Someone's going to get that. Lee Smith. Candy. Steve Sachs. Are we going to hit a checklist? That's all I can ever hope for. Terry Pendleton. Obadiah McDowell. Odababy. Let's do another one. That one looks like Chris Sabo. Cup card. Some of these look like they have a couple of good players on the front. Yeah, Chris Sabo. That'd be a good one to send out for TTM. Sweet Lou Whitaker. Old Keith Hernandez. One of my personal favorites. Ozzie Smith. These are in really good shape. Mike Schmidt. These came out of case. I mean, this gum is definitely edible. Wonder what that come from. Yes, we hit the checklist card. There's Bo Jackson. Nice Bo card. George Bell. That's who it was. kind of new, but I forgot. Danny Jackson, Ricky Aguilera, Gil Hodges. All right, let's open one more pack here. One more pack of 89 Topps. Cello pack. I guess these were the fat packs of the day, back in the day. When somebody says back in the day. Here's a juicer. Here's a Mook. We just had a Bob Ojeda. We had a Frank DePino. We had a Craig. We had a Jack. Here, a Greg Jeffries Future Star card. Put that one aside. Dallas Green. And the gum. That gum is edible. I've ate enough of it, and I can tell that this is a good one. Neil Allen, Bobby Thigpen, Kelly Gruber, Billy Doran, Wally Backman, and Jack Morris. All right. Leave a comment below if there's anything you like. I'm going to actually probably put these cards into our giveaway. It's going to happen soon, I promise. And this will just be more stuff to open up on the channel. All right, Nate with Dubs Cards, over and out.